Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Business Education Content Knowledge exam? This is Praxis test code 5101. This is a test with several subtopics. This worked solution set covers the subtopic of entrepreneurship. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Question number 1. According to the Small Business Administration, a small business is a business with fewer than how many employees? 50? The number varies based on the type of business and industry. 100? Or 500? According to the Small Business Administration, SBA, a small business is not defined as having fewer than 50 or 100 employees. These are not standard thresholds. Additionally, 500 employees is a common threshold for some industries, but this is not the best answer here. The correct definition varies based on the type of business and industry. The SBA's definition of a small business depends on the industry, with thresholds generally ranging from fewer than 500 employees for manufacturing and mining industries to less than 7.5 million in annual receipts for many non-manufacturing industries. Question number 2. What is the term used to describe the process of a corporation sharing a portion of their profits with shareholders? Shares, dividends, corporate payout, or profit sharing? The term used to describe the process of a corporation sharing a portion of their profits with shareholders is not shares or corporate payout. While profit sharing is a concept that involves distributing profits among employees, the correct term is dividends. Dividends are payments made by a corporation to its shareholders, typically as a distribution of profits. Question number 3. Which of the following is the major disadvantage of sole proprietorship? Hard to manage, harder to file taxes, unlimited liability, or high startup costs. The major disadvantage of a sole proprietorship is not that it is hard to manage or that it is harder to file taxes. While high startup costs can be a challenge, the primary drawback is unlimited liability. In a sole proprietorship, the owner is personally responsible for all the business's debts and obligations, putting personal assets at risk. Question number 4. Sarah won the lottery. Since she has lots of money, she wants to have a business. She wants to invest in a partnership, but she does not want to manage it. What should she do if she wants to protect her personal assets? She should become a general partner. She should join a corporation. She should join a limited liability partnership, or she should become a limited partner. Sarah should not become a general partner, as general partners manage the business and have unlimited liability, putting personal assets at risk. Joining a corporation would provide limited personal liability, but involves a different ownership and management structure compared to partnerships. Similarly, joining a limited liability partnership, LLP, allows for shared management and provides some liability protection, but the extent of personal asset protection can vary. The best option for Sarah is to become a limited partner. Limited partners invest in the business without managing it and have liability limited to the amount of their investment. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of entrepreneurship for the Praxis 5101 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Best of luck preparing for your exam. Bye for now.